Hello, and welcome to our Identity Access presentation. My name is Charlie Hicks, and I'm the Sales Director here at Controlsoft. Today, I'll be presenting along with my colleague, Shaun Baylis, who is our pre-sales consultant. So we'll start this presentation with a bit about our background and moving on to an introduction to our partners, Identity Access platform, software features, and then the different identification options we offer. Controlsoft have been in the access control industry for almost 30 years now, with offices in the UK, USA and South Africa. We're ISO 9001 accredited and focus on open architecture for future system flexibility. We have developed partnerships with the leading vendors in the security industry, which enable us to offer the most suitable solution for your application. We're an HID OEM Platinum partner, IDEMIA reseller, and we also have direct partnerships with Iris ID, Assa Abloy, AWID and Fargo. I'll now pass you over to my colleague Shaun, who will take you through the key features and benefits of our Identity Access platform.
The iNet controller is at the heart of our Identity Access platform. We've developed it to a very high standard and as a result have the UL 294 accreditation. The iNet supports 2 doors with a single reader or 1 door with reader in and out. As well as an IP interface, it also supports RS485 for multi-drop operability. Up to 15 slaves can be connected up to the master controller. The controller offers 9 inputs which can be used for push-to-exit buttons, door contacts, sensors and alarms. The controller has 4 outputs which can be used for locks, alarms or other triggers. As well as supporting 2 Wiegand readers per controller, the controller is also OSDP compatible. It can support up to 4 doors with 8 readers when utilising OSDP readers. The iNet ACU supports up to 50,000 cardholders and can store up to 100,000 events. Doors can be configured for pulse or toggle mode. The smart power supply also supports monitoring for mains fail and battery fault. Monitoring can be configured for request to exit buttons, door contacts, break glasses, tampers and other alarms. The iNet comes in 3 variants: the iNet controller on its own, US IA PCB, the iNet controller in a key secured cabinet but without a power supply, US IA ACB, the iNet in a key secured cabinet with a 4 amp power supply, US IA ACU. The UL listed 4 amp Altronics power supply features a fire alarm disconnect and overvoltage protection. The cabinet is designed to house 2 iNet controllers as well as a 12 ampere-hour battery. The Identity Access software has been designed with ease of use in mind. In this section, we'll cover the key features of the software. 2 versions are available: Identity Access Standard, which is free, and Identity Access Professional. We will cover what features are available to each version later on. Identity Access is fully integrated with HID's mobile access to make issuing a credential as easy as adding a user token. Identity Access is also fully integrated with the IDEMIA Sigma range of fingerprint readers for a secure yet simple user experience. With a full integration, there's no need for additional software to control your biometric readers. Identity Access features multi-level lockdown, which can either be triggered in the software or with a physical panic button. The different levels can be used to control the severity of the lockdown. Identity Access is fully compatible with elevator controls. Users can be granted access to any combination of up to 64 floors of an elevator. The elevator can also be configured with a time zone and a fireman-free access switch. Identity Access is fully integrated with HID's Assure ID card design software. After designing your card template in Assure ID, you can print your access card directly from Identity Access. Identity Access is compatible with a wide range of card printers, including dye sublimation, retransfer, and holographic printers. Events and actions can be used to create sophisticated logic using a simple if this, then rule system. Events and actions can be configured to control software and hardware logic for custom operations. Identity Access has a server-client architecture, which means you can run it on as many PCs as required. Each operator who uses the system can have their own user account to log in with. This means you can keep track of which operators have made changes to the system. If you have a biometric system, you can use your desktop fingerprint reader to log into the software. If you have a fire panel in your building, this can be linked with your iNet controller to release the doors automatically in the event of a fire. Identity access can be configured to automatically print the fire roll call report when the fire alarm is triggered. Interactive site maps give you full visibility of your facility from one screen. You can import your building's floor plans or 3D drawings and overlay identity access objects. Objects include doors, readers, alarms, timers and counters. Objects are interactive so you can control the object directly from the map. Email notifications can be sent out when a specific event occurs in identity access. For example, email the office manager when a user tries to access part of the building they are not permitted to access. Another example, email the office manager if an employee hasn't arrived by 10 a.m. On screen now, we can see the Identity Access standard features in grey and Identity Access professional features in blue. Feel free to pause the video now before I hand back over to Charlie to explain the different identification options.
Controlsoft offer a number of different identification options. They include smart card readers from HID, wireless locks from ACU Abloy, HID mobile phone access, IDEMIA contact and contactless fingerprint readers, and Iris ID's biometric iris scanners. HID are a world-leading manufacturer of smart card and reader solutions that we recommend for use on our systems. HID Signo readers are the latest generation of readers to join the HID family. Out of the box, they support mobile access as well as OSDP. HID iClass SE are the previous generation of readers. The readers support iClass, MyFair and DesFire with an option for OSDP and mobile if required. HID multi-class SE readers are identical to the iClass SE readers. However, they support legacy card technologies such as HID Prox, EM Prox, Indala Prox and other 125 kHz technologies. Storm Vandal resistant readers are embedded with an HID iClass module, however have a high impact resistant rating which make them ideal for use in harsh environments. HID readers in combination with the Identity Access Platform give the highest level of end-to-end security. At every step, the data is fully encrypted. This is achieved by utilising the following points on screen. HID's SIO or Security Identity Object Layered Encryption. Their Corporate 1000 program, which is optional, as well as the addition of offering unique key sets, which HID call Elite Keys. And finally, OSDP communication over RS485. I'll now pass you over to Shaun, who'll explain the Aperio wireless handle sets and cylinders.
Aperio wireless handle sets and cylinders from ACU Abloy have a certified integration with Identity Access and the iNet control unit. The handle sets and cylinders offer an easy physical hardware installation for new and existing doors without the need for traditional cabling methods. Handles and cylinders connect to the iNet via an RS485 wireless hub. Each hub can connect up to 8 handles or cylinders with an 80 feet radius. The Aperio family of products provides a broad range of locks to suit a wide range of applications. This includes server racks, glass doors and cabinets, as well as conventional doors. With designs from Corbin Rushwin and Sargent, styling is available to suit most buildings. I'll hand you back over to Charlie now, who's going to explain HID mobile access.
Mobile access is the latest trend in the access control market. The HID mobile access platform allows you to use a virtual credential stored within your smartphone to gain access throughout your building. You can now also carry your virtual credential on smart wearable devices like the Apple iWatch. Here's an overview of how it works. The user is enrolled into the Identity Access software and emailed an activation code to enable the HID mobile app on their phone. Once the email is activated, a mobile ID is transferred onto their smartphone over air. They can then present their phone to the HID mobile reader as they would a card to gain access to the building. IDEMIA have established themselves as world leaders in the biometric industry, and we're proud to be a partner with them now for over 10 years. Select readers in the range will identify you in 1 second or less, even with a database size of 100,000 users. Most of the readers also come with an embedded web server, which allow you to enroll your fingerprint templates directly to the device without the need for a desktop enrollment reader. The biometric readers share a high-performance optical sensor that is certified to FBI PIV IQS standard. Most biometric readers in the IDEMIA family are IP65 rated, which means they can be installed outside without the need for a cover. Additionally, the Sigma Extreme also holds an IK09 impact rating for harsher environments. As well as having duress finger functionality to sound an alarm in an emergency situation, the readers can also detect a fake finger or spoofing attack. IDEMIA readers can also support the use of smart cards for storing your fingerprint templates. This dual-factor functionality also means you're not limited by reader storage, as no fingerprint templates are being downloaded to the reader. Simply enroll your fingerprint and then use a desktop encoder to write the template information to card. Select reader models come with an onboard touchscreen, which allow you the addition of having a keypad for higher security requirements. Companies can also upload their logo to the screen if they wish, which is great for corporate image. Fingerprint enrolment can be done on the terminal of select reader models. However, in most cases, a desktop enrolment reader is required. For small to medium access control applications, we recommend the MSO 1300. For medium to large access control applications, the MSO 300 is recommended. This is because systems with higher user numbers require a greater enrolment score to ensure a fast and accurate read. This is achieved with a larger enrolment sensor. In summary, Identity Access offers a flexible and reliable platform to meet our customers' requirements, with end-to-end security that allow valid users to flow through their building seamlessly. We offer a large choice of identification methods, including proximity readers, mobile access, and biometrics. The system allows for multiple IDs per user, which is useful when combining several identification options across one site. The hardware platform is scalable, supporting future development to our end users' systems. Finally, we're incredibly focused on providing the best support and training to our customers. Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation today, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Please do feel free to reach out to us to discuss anything of interest in this presentation. Thank you.